Here's how to disassemble the Shark TurboBlade XL fan using Shark's official removal procedure for the pole and base components for cleaning, storage, or transport in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to safely separate the fan for cleaning, storage, or transport using Shark's official method. First, unplug the fan completely. Make sure the display is off before handling any parts. Once the fan has no power, rotate the fan base counterclockwise until it stops. As you turn it, you'll hear or feel a clicking sound which lets you know the base has reached its release position. Next, look near the bottom of the pole for a small release slot beside the pole connection. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into the slot and gently press toward the center of the pole. This releases the locking clip that holds the pole in place. Then, while keeping the locking clip pressed, rotate the pole counterclockwise and lift it straight upward. You should see the pole separate cleanly from the fan base. Do not pull upward before the lock releases, as this can prevent the pole from coming free. After that, if you also want to remove the bottom plate, carefully turn the fan upside down on a stable surface. Locate the locking latch on the base plate, lift it with a flathead screwdriver, then rotate the base plate counterclockwise until it releases. The base plate will separate from the base assembly. Now, if you don't see this option, there is another way. Double check that the base was rotated fully counterclockwise before pressing the release clip. Keep steady pressure on the clip while gently twisting the pole. If it still will not separate, stop applying force and contact Shark customer support, especially if the fan is still under warranty. One important note is that the fan blades cannot be removed. Shark's official documentation states that once the blades are locked into place, they are not designed to be taken off. Once everything is set, the pole will be separated from the base, and the base plate can also be removed for storage or maintenance while the fan blades remain attached. Following these simple steps makes disassembling the Shark TurboBlade XL fan using Shark's official removal procedure for the pole and base components for cleaning, storage, or transport quick and easy.